WWDC is coming up and it's time to get into festive mood. This is how to set up your profile picture so it looks like this in Memoji. Let's get into it. So first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to go into your messages, and if you haven't set up a Memoji yet, I don't know why you're watching this video, but set up a Memoji, then come back to this step. So next what you're going to want to do is you're going to go into your own profile, send a message to yourself just as a little starter message, and then you're going to want to go into the Memojis and choose whatever Memoji you want. Now I chose the pretty basic just smiling Memoji because I thought, hey, you know what, don't go overboard. Next what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go into that Memoji, send it to yourself. Click on that Memoji that you've sent to yourself, take a screenshot. Preferably make it a square so that it'll be easier when we transfer it into the editing app. Now you can use Photoshop if you're familiar with Photoshop, but for this app I'm going to recommend GoDaddy Studio, previously known as Over. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on create a new project, and you're going to want to click on the transparent option, and you're going to want to click the square option and then enter a new project. Import the screenshot you got of the Memoji, and then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to use the remove background feature. Now you get one of these if you're downloading the app for the first time and you're using the app for the first time, or if you have the premium version, you can get the unlimited removal of backgrounds. Remove the background and then go into the shadow options, and for me personally I like the 33% and 66% options. After you go ahead and do that, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the background settings after you've clicked the tick in the top right to say, yeah, I'm done with that layer, and you're going to want to click on the color wheel in the side, and you're just going to drag around the colors that you want. So choose any color. Once you're done that, click the little tick on the color wheel options, click the tick up the top right, and then what you're going to do is you're going to export. So go into the little share icon at the top right and click the little share icon to download to your phone, and then set it as your profile picture if you want. And that is how you get it looking like that. And that's it. Pretty simple, if I'm being honest with you. Like, it took me about 10 minutes, but it does take time if it's your first time doing this, but don't worry, you have time. And with that, thank you very much for watching. If you liked it, hit the like button, subscribe, comment down below, or join Discord. Links to those in the video description. My name's Connor, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.